नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया। माय नेम इज़ जेवीएन सचिन प्रताप सिंह। प्रोग्राम BA Journalism, first semester. Course name is Photography and Videography. Session Basics, part of Single Lens Reflex, SLR, Film and Digital, Department of Journalism. Today I will discuss about basics parts of single lens रिफ्लेक्स कैमरा, जिसको हम बोलते हैं SLR। इससे पहले हमने हिस्ट्री ऑफ वीडियो कैमरा, व्हाट इज़ वीडियो कैमरा, व्हाट इज़ SLR कैमरा, व्हाट इज़ DSLR कैमरा, इन टॉपिक के बारे में हमने बात की। अब हमें इसके पार्ट्स के बारे में, SLR कैमरे के पार्ट्स के बारे में बात करनी है। ये सिंगल लेंस रिफ्लेक्स कैमरा is a camera that typically use a mirror and prism system that permits the photographer to view through the lens and see what will be captured. With twin lens reflex and rangefinder cameras, the viewed image could be different from the final image. When the shutter button is pressed on most SLRs, the mirror flips out of the light path, allowing light to pass through to the light and the image to be captured. Prior to the development of SLR, all camera with viewfinder had two optical light paths. One path through the lens to the film and another path positioned above or the side. Because the viewfinder and the film lens can't share the same optical path, two viewing lens is aimed to with the film lens and a fixed point somewhere in front of the camera. This is not problematic for picture taken at a middle or longer distance with parallax cause framing error in close-up shots. Moreover, moreover the forcing focusing the lens of a fast reflex camera when it is open to aperture. Most SLR camera permit upright and laterally correct viewing through use of a proof in the optical path between the reflex mirror and viewfinder. Light which come both horizontally and vertically inverted after passing through the lens is reflected upwards by the reflex mirror into the where it is reflected several times to correct caused by the lens and assign image with the viewfinder. The Japanese adopted and further developed the SLR in 1952. Ashi developed the Asiflex in 1954. The Asiflex IBB dot in 1957. The Ashi patent has combined the fixed and the right hand thumb bind lever. Nikon, Canon, Yashica introduced their first SLR in 1959. Okay, thank you.